Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, this is our maths lesson and today we are going to learn three things: writing number names, writing numbers from their names, and ordering numbers. For this we have to follow countdown book to page number 16 to 18. Number names in hundreds. Let's help Tom remember this number's name. 300. There are 300s, 0 tens and 0 ones. So we can say its name is 300. Similarly, we have the next number 500. There is 5 in the hundred column, 0 in the tens column, and 0 in the ones column. So we can say its name is 500. Now pause and try saying the number names out loud. 400 means its name is 400. 200, 200. 800, 800. Now let's learn how to write full number names by breaking them into place value. The number written is 640. There are 600s, 4 tens and 0 ones. For 6 in the hundred column, we will write 600. And then we add and when we have tens and ones, 4 tens and 0 ones becomes 40. So 640, its name is 640. Always remember add and before tens and ones column. Let's try another number 223. There are 2 hundreds, 2 tens and 3 ones. For 2 in the hundred columns we will write 200 and 2 in the tens column, 3 in the ones column we will write 23. So its number name is 223. Now practice writing number names yourself on a piece of paper. 497, the first number. Its number name is 497. Second number is 508. There are 5 hundreds, 0 tens and 8 ones, and its number name is 508. Now we have to write the number from the given number name. The given number name is 924. We have to break this into two parts. First part is 900s and for this we will write 900. Second part is 24 which means 24. So the number is 924. Another example is 172. This is the number name and we have to write the number. We again break this into two parts. The first part is 100 and for this we will write 100. The second part is 72 and for this we will write 72. So the number becomes 172. Now practice writing the number yourself on a piece of paper. The given number name is 398. For this, the number is 398. As for 300, we will write 300 and for 98, we will write 98 and the number becomes 398. Now we will do the third part of our lesson, ordering numbers up to 999. Think of it as counting numbers forward or backward. The sequence starts from 125 and we jump one time, the number is 126. The one jump again gives 127. The one jump again gives 128 and so on. Similarly, let's try. The number given is 262 and 264. From backward counting, we will learn that the number 261 comes before 262 and after 262 we have 263. In this 264 is given and from this we will learn the one jump gives us 265. Again one jump gives us 266. Today we have learned three things: writing number names, writing numbers from their names, and ordering numbers. Students, your homework is complete countdown page 16, 17 and 18 and review page 26, question number 5 and question number 6 on your book.